Hello everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Natasha and this is Beyond the Cookbook. Today we have something very special, something that I've been trying to make for a while. We recently went on a trip and we ate out a lot, and one of the dishes that we ate was this beautiful seafood and bean stew. So I've been wanting to come home, recreate it for you, and I think I've got it. Hopefully you guys like it as much as we do, so let's get started. We recently went on a trip with our family. We went to the Azores, San Miguel specifically. This is where I come from. I left when I was 6. This is the first time I've been back, and we traveled around the island a lot. It was wonderful. It was beautiful. We ate in a lot of little different restaurants and different little diners and stuff like that. And one of the places that we did eat, they had this beautiful seafood and bean stew that was delicious. And I've tried to recreate it a couple of times. I think I've got it. So that's what we're going to do today. So let's get started with the ingredients. So first, since it's a seafood and bean stew, we need seafood. So we have shrimp, we have clams, and we have a mixture of, I don't know if you can see, but we have a mixture of shrimp, scallops, and calamari rings. So these were all frozen, and I defrosted them in the fridge, just like this. So I put them in little sieves, if you can see the holes, and I collected the liquid that came from it. That's what that is. Because we do need some sort of seafood stock, and I thought this should be the best way to do it. So let's go with the rest of the ingredients. So obviously we need beans. So there's 2 cans of red navy beans, and I left the liquid in because it helps to thicken the sauce. There's 1 can of white kidney beans. There's the pepper sauce. There's minced garlic, some white wine, obviously the liquid from the seafood, an onion that I need to peel and chop. For spices, we have oregano and parsley, dried parsley. So we went for 2 weeks. We went in the beginning of May. We went for the Färskt Soltkricht. We stayed in the capital of San Miguel, which is Punta Delgado. We were right in the middle of it all. The procession came through our street, and we could see it on the balcony, which was lovely. So we had like front row seats. And the rest of the time, we just spent touring around. We went to my old village. We went to see my old house. We saw some family and friends. We went to our old church, and it was just beautiful. The weather was okay. We had some really sunny days. We had some not so sunny days, but you know, it was May. It was springtime, so it was okay. Either way, we enjoyed it. It was a fantastic trip. We'd love to do it again, maybe this time longer. And like I said, we did eat at a lot of different restaurants. So there's a few dishes that I'd like to recreate. This is the one that's been on my mind because it was so good. And it came in a big clay pot. And it was enough for, actually we went with my son and his girlfriend to this place. And supposedly this dish was enough for 2 people. The 4 of us actually were able to share it because there was so much. And of course you also eat it with rice, so that helps make it more substantial. Okay. Ooh, that's hot. Let's start with the onion. And saute that. Oh, it's a little hot, so we'll just turn it down. I forgot to mention you need 2 bay leaves. Okay, I'm gonna add the bay leaves right now. Don't forget to take them out when you're done. We're gonna add the pepper, or sorry, the garlic paste. Now this is minced garlic that I had in a jar. I know it's a bit of controversy about pepper paste in a jar bought in the store, but you use what you have. Not everybody has that stuff at home homemade. I don't. My mother doesn't make it anymore. I don't make it. I don't have the time. So I'll just buy it in the store. Okay, and the pepper paste. I'm going to add the wine right now because the wine is going to give this such a great aroma and flavor. So there's half a cup of wine. Let the alcohol evaporate. Okay, we're gonna add our white beans. Let them saute a little bit, or cook a little bit inside with the wine and the pepper sauce and garlic. Let's put in our navy beans, liquid and all. We're gonna add our herbs as well. Oh, it's all dry. It's stuck in here. We're gonna let this come to a boil, and then we're gonna add our seafood liquid, and then our seafood. So I've got about 3/4 of a cup of liquid from the clams. I'm only going to add about a half a cup or so. If we need more, we'll add more. So remember, this is the clam juice and any other liquid that came from the seafood after it defrosted. Okay, we're going to start adding the seafood. So I just let it cook a little bit with the clam juice. So this is about a pound of, it's a mixture of shrimp and scallops and squid rings. I'm going to add the shrimp. So this is just shrimp, a pound of that as well. And these are the they go by counts per pound. These were 26 to 31 per pound. So they're considered small, but that's good enough. Now I've chosen to add this type of seafood. You can add whatever you want. When we had it, they had a crab. They had some crab in it. They also had the shrimp with the heads on. They had bits of fish in it. I think it was cod. And I think they had scallops as well. So you can choose whatever you like. This is just what I chose. This is really what I could find in our grocery stores. We don't live near an ocean, so we're limited to what we can get fresh. And of course, when you're on an island like San Miguel, everything's fresh. Everything that comes from the sea is fresh. Okay, we're gonna add the clams. So I want you to see the clams here. There's one. Now these clams are cooked already. They just really need to be warmed through. This one isn't open, so we're not gonna use that. So this is another one. So you should go through your seafood. If your shellfish doesn't open, get rid of it. After it's been cooked, just get rid of it. It's not good.
Go.
So these are the ones that I'm not going to put in. I mean, this one is a little bit open, but I just don't trust it. So is this one. So we don't need it. We have enough. So give it a good stir. You can see the shrimp are pink, so that means they're done. So if you notice, we haven't added any salt. I'm going to taste the sauce, see if it needs anything. It's okay. The pepper sauce has salt in it, so I'm not going to add any more. If you feel that you need some more salt, you go right ahead. But this is good enough for us. Okay, just going to cover it for a few minutes. Make sure that the clams are warmed through. Then we'll check on our rice, and then we'll taste. Okay, I had another taste. I'm going to add some pepper. Just about a quarter of a teaspoon. And stir it up. It's really good. Just waiting for the rice. Then we'll be all set. Here you are, folks. Seafood and bean stew. This smells so good. I hope you guys try this video. I hope you like it as much as we do. I'm going to taste it. As you can see, we have rice here, so this sauce on the rice is so nice. Like I said, you can add different seafood varieties that you like. You can add fish if you want. So we're going to taste it. Gonna get some shrimp, some beans, and some rice. It's really good. I wouldn't say that it's spot on, but it's close enough. So, I hope you guys try this video. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you know the next time there's a video out, and leave a comment. And thanks again for watching. See you next time.